Is this pharmaceutical stock something we should be looking at, or is it something we should just blow past? What's up, guys? It's Big Finance here, back here again with another video. It's Wednesday. Now it's time to talk about what a random stock that I've been doing research in and what I think could happen to it. But Athenex or Athenex is a pharmaceutical company that is creating a way for when you have cancer, it's not going to be as bad, and it could as well help treat it just a little bit, not like fully treat it like we found a cure of cancer, but to help you live a couple of years longer to it. So let's get into what I think. But before we do, can you please press the juicy like button? And if you're new, please subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. So guys, Athenex or ATNX is a pharmaceutical company that is trying to help make people with cancer live longer and be able to live their lives much better. But their stock lately, the past week, isn't doing the best. It was up at $13 and then dropped down to $11 from last week, like how we saw that, and then it gained back up to about $12. But what I'm gonna show you guys during this video is gonna be really nice, and most if you guys see this, do your own research like you guys should. You guys probably will be on the same boat with me and seeing this as a great company to invest in. As well, at the end, I will tell you some price targets that analysts have. But right before, this is a 8 out of 8 buy by analysts. That 8 out of 8 analysts say this is a buy stock with price targets up there. For $12.27, they're making this looks like cheap compared what to it could be. So stick around and I'll tell you what this stock could do. So Athenex makes oral paclitaxel, man, that's a mouthful, medicine to help slow down the rate of cancer. Not to completely stop it. I'm not trying to clickbait you guys, say, oh, this is the cure to cancer and all that. No, it's just helped to slow it down so it's not as bad, so patients can live a little bit longer when they have it, as well feel less pain, is what I have done the research for. And right now the FDA plans to announce it's rolling on full commercial approval of the drug by February 28, 2021. This could happen before then, because it says it's going to happen in the next 6 months, but the announcement will probably come around the date. With this big announcement, if it can get FDA plans approved, that can just help these stocks just go up right now. As well, when it was made, the stock was at $12.50, which it's still around as a little bit below right now, but I bought some today. I'm thinking about buying some later this week. This is a stock I will be looking at. So this medicine can help fight precancerous conditions and actinic keratosis. I think that's how you say it. These words are way out of my league, but hey, I'm not here for language arts. I'm here for stock market, okay? But yeah, with what this can looks like it can do, like if it can help stop or slow down precancerous conditions, then that's big. This is going to be a big investment. So let's get into what some analysts think about this company. So here we got our first price targets by analysts as saying the opinion are interesting, as 8 out of 8 analysts who are provided the ratings say it's a buy. Well, nobody said it was overweight, and nobody said it was a hold, and nobody said it was a sell. So if you take that into consideration, they think this is going to go up. As they say down here, they say that the average price could be $28.46. True, with all these articles, it changes, but here, I feel like this is the one that could actually happen. In my opinion, it probably could go up to $20 in the next year or 6 months when they get FDA approved, maybe even more. But right now, there's a public vote 66 million shares. And then here is saying that funds paid $16 million for 400,000 shares. This is showing that some private funds or some IPO funds are buying this stock because they think this is going to go up. So they're buying a crap ton of shares that I wish I could do. But here it's saying price them at $40 each. I don't think it's going to get that high in the next 6 to 8 months to a year. but just them pricing it at $40 each is just something I think may be able to happen. It just shows that people see a future in this company in the next 6 months when they get FDA approved. They see the stock rising. Up here is saying that people paid millions of dollars for more shares, as Athenex did release more shares on September the 14th, so some shares were cheaper. That's probably why the stock is down more than it should be. But I guarantee you, it was at $15, it was at $19. It's probably going to go back up there in the next 6 months. So we can make like 100% from this company if you buy a certain amount of shares. Right now it's at a cheap $12. This is a company that in my opinion looks great on paper. If you do your own research in it, which you should do, it'll look great to you. So after this video, do your own research into this, and then in the comments tell me what your thoughts on this company. And then here on CNN Business is giving its price targets, which in my opinion are looking great at the high of 38% and a median. The median, what they think is most likely probably going to happen is $29.50, and then the lowest is still a profit of $4 at $16.67. And this is out the 8 analysts in the next 12 months. It could happen a little bit before, it may take a little bit longer, but this is as recent as possible. But them pricing it at a high of $38 and a median of $29, I don't see how this couldn't be a buy for me. This just looks great all around. Like, I'm gonna buy a lot more shares of this company and just hold these for like 6-12 months, and then we'll see if this company wins up by the research, and if they get FDA approved and all that. Yes, this company could most likely go up there with the $29, $28 range. And I think if you do your own research, you see that it is. As analysts have been saying, this is a buy for a long time, and it has gone up to the $15, as you can see right here, and then dropped down once they sold a crap ton of shares, put more shares in the market. But it's on their way back up. It could go back up to the $15 in the next couple of months, which I could see happening. So if you want to, if you want to have a stock that over the next year could double itself in value, like, this is a high risk but it's a high reward. It could go down to $8, $9 penny stocks, but I don't see that happening with this way how this company is looking. I don't see that happening. I see this stock most likely going up. But remember guys, this is a high risk, high reward company. You could lose a lot or you could gain a lot, as you can see here. But yeah guys, please tell me your thoughts on this company after doing your research down in the comments. And thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell notification if you like. And I'll see you guys Friday on the recap of the stock market of this week.